dear students. Now we are going to see the subject linear integrated circuit, and the subject code is IC3451. Under that, the lecturer topic is internal circuit of IC741 operational amplifier. Upon the completion of this internal circuit of IC741 operational amplifier, the students will be able to different types of packages of IC741, and working of transistors are used in internal circuit of IC741 operational amplifier. IC741, produced since 1966 by several manufacturers, is a widely used general purpose operational amplifier. The figure shows the equivalent circuit of IC741 operational amplifier divided into various individual stages. The entire operational amplifier is divided into three stages. First one is differential input stage, gain stage, and the third one is the output stage. In the input stage, the amplifiers are connected in differential amplifier configuration. Gain stage, the gain improvement is done by Darlington pair compilation, and output stage, the output is processed by means of BJT transistors. The op-amp circuit consists of three stages, that is the differential amplifier, gain, and output stage. The bias circuit is used to establish the bias current for whole of the circuit in the IC. The op-amp is supplied with positive and negative supply voltage of value plus or minus 15 volt, and the supply voltage as low as plus or minus 5 volt can also be used. Bias circuit, the reference bias current I reference for IC741 circuit is established by the bias circuit consisting of two diode connected, transistor Q11 and Q12, and resistor R5. The Widler current source formed by Q11, Q10 and R4 provide bias current for the differential amplifier stage at the collector of Q10. The transistor Q8 and Q9 form another current mirror, providing a bias current for the differential amplifier. The reference bias current I reference also provide a mirrored and proportional current to the collector of double collector lateral PNP transistor Q13. The transistor Q13 and Q12 thus form a two output current mirror, with Q13A providing a bias current for output stage and Q13B providing a bias current for Q17. The transistor Q18 and Q19 provide DC bias for the output stage formed by Q14 and Q20, and they establish two VBE drops of potential difference between the bases of Q14 and Q18. Input stage, the input differential amplifier stage consists of transistor Q1 through Q7 with biasing provided by Q8 through Q12. The transistor Q1 and Q2 form emitter followers contributing to high differential input resistance, and those output current or input to the common base amplifier using Q3 and Q4, which offers a large voltage gain. The transistor Q5, Q6 and Q7 along with resistor R1, R2 and R3 from the active load for input stage. The single-ended output is available at the collector of Q6. The two null terminal in the input stage facilitate the null adjustment. The lateral PNP transistors Q3 and Q4 provide additional protection against the voltage breakdown conditions. The emitter base junction Q3 and Q4 have higher emitter base breakdown voltage of about 50 volt. Therefore, placing a PNP transistor in series with NPN transistor providing a protection against accidental shortening of supply to the input terminal. Gain stage, the second stage or the gain stage consists of transistor Q16 and Q17, with Q16 acting as an emitter follower for achieving high input resistance. The transistor Q17 operates in common emitter configuration with its collector voltage applied as input to the output stage. The level shifting is done for this signal at this stage The internal compensation through Miller compensation technique is achieved using feedback capacitor C1 connected between the output and input terminal of the gain stage. Output stage. The output stage is a class AB circuit consisting of complementary emitter follower transistor pair Q14 and Q20. Hence, it provides an effective loss output resistance and current gain. The output of the gain stage is connected at the base of Q22, which is connected as an emitter follower, providing a very high input resistance, and it offers no appreciable loading effect on the gain stage. It is biased by transistor Q13A, which also drives Q18 and Q19 that are used for establishing a quotient bias current in the output transistor Q14 and Q20. Some possible questions on the internal circuit of IC741 operational amplifiers are: what is internal gain of an operational amplifier? What is the output of the following circuit of operational amplifier IC741? What is the effect of operational amplifier in the circuit? Thank you.